Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the topic on which we are going to discuss is Theorem 16.1.1, Unit 16, Mathematics 9, Group Science. The statement of Theorem 16.1.1 is stated as parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel lines are of the same parallel lines are equal in area it's given is stated by a diagram in which two parallelograms ABCD and ABEF having the same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB and DE. Proof of this theorem. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. We use a technique to solve its proof. Firstly, we take a parallelogram with its area, means area of parallelogram ABCD. Secondly, we take another parallelogram with its area parallelogram ABEF. When these two parallelograms made on the same base, then their areas become equal, means area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram ABEF. On the same base, the area parallelogram ABCD becomes area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle CBE. Similarly, the area of parallelogram ABEF becomes area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle DAF. Again discussing on these two parallelograms. Before overlapping, two parallelograms are shown with their areas. When they overlap each other, means on the same base, their areas become area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram ABEF. After that, area parallelogram ABCD becomes area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle CBE, and area parallelogram ABEF becomes area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle DAF. On cancellation of area of trapezium ABED on the both sides, area of triangle CBE becomes equal to area of triangle DAF. When areas of two triangles become equal to each another, then these two triangles should be congruent. So we take corresponding between these two triangles. After that, side CB congruent side DA, angle CB congruent angle DA, and side B congruent side AF. Then these two triangles become congruent. When these two triangles become congruent, then their areas on the same base and same altitude become equal, and on adding both sides area of trapezium ABED, then area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram ABEF. Firstly, we have to describe how the area parallelogram ABCD is dividing into area of trapezium ABED and area of triangle CBE. In this step, it is stated that how the area of parallelogram ABEF is divided into area of trapezium ABED and area of triangle DAF. Similar triangles are angles equals while all sides have similar ratio, while congruent triangles have R angle and all sides are equal. Here we define that how two triangles are congruent when corresponding sides are congruent and corresponding angles are also congruent. Then these two triangles are congruent. With the help of 6 corresponding pairs of components, means 3 corresponding sides and 3 corresponding angles, two triangles are become congruent, but only 3 corresponding pairs of components also made the two triangles congruent in the form of side postulate, angle postulate, side postulate, angle postulate, while the remaining 3 pairs can be find out with respect to the CPCT rule. CPCT means corresponding pairs of congruent triangle. Here the 3 pairs made the two triangle congruents. Pair CB congruent DA, second pair angle B congruent angle A, third pair, side BE congruent side AF. Hence these two triangles are congruent with the criteria side angle side postulate, are side angle side congruent side angle side, and remaining three pairs can be find out by using the CPCT rule. CPCT means corresponding pairs of congruent triangles. When two triangles are congruent, then areas of triangles with common base and same altitude are equal. Here we stated what is parallelogram and what is its area. It is a family of polygon in which parallelogram is produced from quadrilateral. A parallelogram is a closed figure on one plane which has four vertices, four sides and four angles. If its opposite sides are of equal measure and its opposite sides are parallel, another formula of parallelogram is base multiplied by altitude. If we draw perpendicular on FC at point G and also draw another perpendicular on FC at point H, then area of trapezium, sum of two opposite lines divided by 2 multiply altitudes, and also the area of triangle, base multiplied by altitude divided by 2. So with the addition of area of trapezium and area of triangle, area of parallelogram becomes measure DC multiplied by measure BG. And area of parallelogram ABEF becomes measure EF multiplied by measure AH. Area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram ABEF by replacing BG equal to AH and DC equal to FE. In corresponding to triangles, triangle CBE and triangle DAF are congruent if their side CB equal to side DA, angle CB equal to angle DAF, and side BE equal to side AF. When two triangles are congruent, then area with the same base and same altitudes are also equal. area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle CBE. And area of parallelogram ABEF is equal to area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle DAF. We know that from equation 1, 2 and 3. So equation number 1, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle CBE. From equation 3, when two triangles are congruent, then area of triangle CBE is equal to area of triangle DAF. From equation 2, so area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF.